Okay, Jade.
Okay, Jade, do I look at myself now?
I could let you have it. You could be my heaven. You could be my woman, right? I don't want you having. Anytime I know you're living in the hole. Anytime I know.
Hey guys, it's Jada, and so today I've got my best friend here, David. He's very, very gay.
Extremely.
We're going to be doing my makeup. David doesn't really have experience with makeup
At all.
being as gay as he is. Like, this is the first time I've ever had someone like actually touch my face and do my makeup, which is like really weird for me. So yeah, I don't even know what look we're trying to go for. We did not decide that. That's the video that's happening. Introduce yourself.
Hi.
He's TikTok famous. Yay!
You didn't know already.
He's TikTok famous.
You may have seen me on the illustrious app TikTok.
Yes, and honestly, it's iconic. So definitely be sure to follow him. I'll leave all his stuff in the description below. And yeah. Okay, so we got the makeup here. David's got the palettes right there. And we're gonna do our best to kind of just show what's happening. But yeah, what are you gonna start with, David?
Okay, we're probably gonna start with brows.
With brows? Okay.
But I know what eye look I'm gonna go for.
Okay.
I'm gonna play off of this, the glitter.
Oh god. Oh god.
So
that
like
glitter. Okay.
Blues and
Stuff.
pinks and yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna
I'm so
work with
nervous.
that.
Literally no one has touched my face like and actually done my makeup. Like no shows, no prom. Like I'm always the one that does my makeup. No one, like my sister hasn't even done my makeup before. So like.
Because I can't do makeup.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with this, whatever this is. We're gonna lightly.
Lightly.
I don't think I got anything on there.
No, there, it is. It's on there. It's on for sure. It's just that, yeah, you can't tell.
Okay.
Just go for it. Do whatever you need to do.
Okay. We're going somewhere. We're getting somewhere.
Like seriously, that feels so weird. Like no one's like touched my face to do makeup, so I don't know what it feels like.
Okay, it's like really.
Okay,
Frida Kahlo.
I don't know if I believe you.
Bob
Frida
Ross.
Kahlo. I have a unibrow.
No.
Who said that? We didn't get a unibrow. I don't know.
No.
Okay, I got a blend.
Oh, that was nice.
See?
The part at the end.
I'm gonna go in with this.
Okay.
I still don't know what it does.
It's like tinted brow gel. Hold your brow together. Okay.
Okay, we're done with brows. That took
Yay!
a lot out
I
of
can
me.
close it for you.
Thank you.
Okay. So, what do you want to do now?
Okay. I've never like gotten this far.
Are you doing like? Are you trying to do like
Full
like
face
a base?
or
Yeah,
what?
like a
Yeah.
base. Okay. Okay. So this is like really shitty and like old foundation, but like you can use it. Like you can just like dot it on my face and blend it.
Yeah. Oh, foundation. I'm not good with foundation.
You're not?
Where's-
Okay, concealer's here. I use this like for here. I'll do like one eye, but like I'll just kind of show you. So it's like I just kind of blend it like that. I don't even have a mirror, but I can feel myself doing it. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like it just like lightly covers it, but like you can do whatever you want. It's like really like light. You're getting product on there even if you don't think you are.
Really?
Yeah, like that's enough. Like that's a lot.
Well, yeah. Okay. Saw it as soon as it.
It's all about the application. He's like.
Is she blending?
I don't know.
I'm gonna say she's blending. Okay, where do people go? Oh, chin.
You can
They
do it anywhere you want.
They do that. I've seen in videos.
Oh.
I watch makeup tutorials for the fun of it. We also do that little thing. Do I want to do that?
You can if you want to.
We're gonna go for it. We're gonna draw.
Draw and paint. Oh,
Tribal.
what the
She looks like a rooster.
fuck? Rooster? Rar. Wait, that's not
That's
the
the
right sound.
dinosaur. Okay,
You can use this. if you want.
that makes more sense.
He said knock, knock, knock. It sounded like he was knocking on the door.
All right.
I feel
That
like
was
we just haven't gotten anywhere. Like we haven't done anything. Like I'm like the
at
same.
all.
There's blush. There's contour.
Ooh, contour. We're gonna do that.
Okay, so for contour, I use like eyeshadows and like this, and I use like this brush. This brush like frays a lot, so like all the hairs are gonna start coming out, but it's fine. Honestly, you choose a color. I already know what color I use to contour, but
The black.
the black, but like barely, like because it's eyeshadow. It's not meant for bronzer, so it's like really light. Like, that's a lot.
Am I getting it?
A lot. That's a lot on there already. Like that's a
Taps
lot.
more.
Should I?
You can't. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, it's really pigmented, isn't it? You can use this to blend if you need to.
Okay, we're gonna tap some a little bit more.
Where else do you contour, David?
You contour your cheekbone. Well, that's that.
Okay, that
Now
was
we're
the
gonna
cheekbone.
go under. We're gonna go under.
Okay.
Here.
I also use this to contour.
I see. I knew that.
Yeah, you knew that, right?
Yeah, from
Okay.
the video.
This. But like again, like really light.
We're gonna come to your forehead.
Okay.
We're gonna. She still has product on her. Here.
Yeah, that's a lot. You tapped it a lot.
I know.
Oh, you need it again.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh.
That's a lot. That's not gonna tap off because it's like creamy.
Okay.
Woo! Okay.
We're gonna.
Really?
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Okay. I just can like feel the places that I need to fill in already because like I know how it feels because I know how it feels when I do it on my face, so I can feel like I feel sparse.
You see? That's kind of harsh.
Yeah.
How do I blend
It looks
that out?
funny on here.
Blend it out with this,
On here.
or you can use this brush. I never use this brush, but you can.
I washed it.
Now you can do like blush.
Yes,
Okay.
AdulTeen.
I have this as a blush. This is a creamier blush, but it's highlight. And then I have my liquid drops. You know, the one that you're always like, what is that?
Yeah,
This.
that.
So you want to use this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got to be careful because it like splashes around a lot. Oh,
What do I blend this out?
this. It's like nail polish, so like, but like way, it's like water.
Yep. Okay.
Three palettes to choose from.
Okay.
35R, 3502,
Well,
and
Beautiful.
okay. Whoa.
I feel like her face is just judging like
Exactly. Okay. I'm gonna.
I need to do years of skincare after this.
Ha!
Because of how he's like. There's a lot of blues.
I'm going in with blue. I know. I just need. Oh, that one right there.
That? Okay. He said, I'm going ham.
Okay.
Okay. He's just trying to like press it onto my.
She's looking good. Personally. Okay. Do I use this?
That's fucking huge.
No, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna start off. Wait, I think I know this color.
Okay.
Is that?
Just knowing that that's a lot.
Oh.
Yeah, he's talking about. I know that one's over. Oh. Why is it so far over? What did you do?
She's not bad.
I feel like the blue color that you used earlier looks more gray now.
Huh?
Like it looks silver.
Really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're going with this.
Are you
Oh,
trying to
that's
do
cute.
eyeliner?
No.
No? Oh, he's like, I don't want to fuck it
We're going with
up.
white.
Okay. I've never really like used to use it.
Okay. Yep. Smart decision. Smartest decision I've ever made. Best decision I've ever made in my life. There we go. She's now showing you how I want it. I'm unleashing my inner artist.
I can feel it. That's literally. Did you read that?
Yes. Like a lip gloss.
I had one, but shoot, where did it go?
It looks like Ashley
No, I
Tisdale
threw it away
when
'cause it, like,
she
spilled everywhere.
in Bop 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 to the top. That's
Oh.
what that looks like.
Caliente.
That color.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, people do that to get like.
Wow.
You look like a 2000s girl.
That's
It's like that
exactly
type
what
of
I
color.
Okay, now we're gonna.
want. Oh,
Glitter.
so fun. So if I just tap my finger in this, right? And like I want to go like that, you can like move them around because it's like actual glitter fleck. So you're gonna have to like keep like moving it around. Yeah.
I know, it actually like kind of went well.
Oh, I actually like this.
Is it like balm? Is it like cream?
You can touch it. No, it's like slime.
Oh,
Slime.
well that's fun. Oh,
Okay, we cut off somewhere. We don't know where, but I have purple on my eyes now. If I didn't catch it,
The glitter.
the glitter. I feel like a sticky ball gloss.
I felt bad.
And so what I usually do, you can play around with this. This is like a skinny like eyeliner brush, but I put it in glitter. Okay, this is what I did for prom. I just kind of like got some and like lined my eyes with it in like a straight line and like did eyeliner. I don't know if you want to do that, or you can get that and one of the colors here and make your own like eyeliner.
We're going with this.
This? Okay. Okay. I feel like there's 50 shades of glitter in my face.
I'm not breathing.
Blow's nice. We're gonna take a 5-minute break. Why are you brushing down?
Okay, wait, look up. Okay, we're gonna.
I'll help you.
I was gonna say you could do it, but like I don't want you to see yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have to. I can do my mascara without looking, David.
Really?
Yes.
Go off. Oh, yeah. Should we add lashes?
Oh my god.
I feel like it would enhance it, make it look better.
Do you have lashes?
Do you know how to put on lashes?
We're gonna figure out today.
Okay, and then you put it like this. That's how you do lashes. Let it dry even more. Like 30 more
Okay,
seconds.
I said she looks like this one little meme, and she's like this little girl in the.
Oh my god, yes, with the purple,
Yes,
yes, and the thing on her lips.
I've never seen that.
yes!
What is that?
Her hair is like goes to here, yes, I've seen that. You gotta insert that because that's kind of funny. It looks exactly.
I'm so scared.
It's the purple. The concentration.
That one feels a little weird.
Yeah, because the back end just got stuck on the glue a little bit.
Really?
I feel so weird because since I haven't looked at myself,
okay.
all I see are the lashes, so I feel
Other
like...
than the fact that they're different.
Yeah.
I got this little sample thing that David could use, but he's going to use it as like a liner on my lips, so hopefully he can do that right, but it's purple, so...
Okay. Okay.
I don't know. I can tell. Do you need more?
Yeah. I'm sorry, but Jada, you really look like a Bratz doll.
Yeah.
Am I done?
Yeah, you literally. What is that called?
I'm feeling it.
Is he actually? Okay.
Okay, Jade.
Okay, Jade, do I look at myself now? I've never seen
That's
that
literally
before.
what she looks like.
And
I'm so scared. Okay. Oh, hold on. I don't look that bad.
You don't.
David, you did pretty good.
wait, look at the size. Like,
Wait,
the size.
whoa. David, you did kind of okay. Like, that looks good. Wait. Interesting. The lips
Yeah.
you do kind of good, actually. Okay, guys. So, this was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think David did really great. But we're going to go and take some pictures now in this look. Because I think it was a success. But, yeah. So, that's that. David wins. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a future video. Take care. Bye.
Ow.
I can't reach.
I just wanna throw my hands. I just wanna make with a stand. I just wanna catch one glance. I just wanna see you dance, girl. I just wanna shine like my